Pandas, 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 pandas. Welcome up, pandas. Welcome to the stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you had a good weekend. TGIM. Panda, sorry, I'm a little sick today. A little coffee, if you know what I mean. Coughing a little bit here and there. Throat is real sore. And I'd like to know what you guys use when you have a cough. Let me know in the chat. Yeah, let's get some bamboo. Pandas, we were able to make accounts green again. Make accounts green again, only if there was an acronym for that. But we're back up above break even. Absolutely amazing that we're able to get here. We were down we were like very, very low on the accounts. But now we're back to break even. We're not even back to break even, we're actually back to profitable here. We just got that like button. Tomorrow is the last day to have $35 resets. Just take advantage of it while I can. Daily chart. Start to have overlap here. Big pushed up. No follow through. Reversal. No follow through here. Full bar. Follow through. Made new highs. So we're still in an uptrend, right? We're still making new highs. But the price action seems to suggest we're starting to turn to a trading range, in my opinion. I could be wrong, though. We don't even test the 20 EMA here, showing the strength of the bulls. So it's a bit confusing for me. These are all, I only trade funded PAs. These are PAs. Angela, let's chow on some bamboo. Let's go. I've never had a Dalsim. Dalsim? Is that good? Honestly, I only try Ricola. And today I may be muted a lot today just because I'm like coughing. I don't want you guys to, have your eardrums blown out. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Mo Sam, good morning. Hugh, welcome. Angelo, welcome. Turtle Toes, welcome. Sumanth, welcome. Black Light Gypsy, good morning. Ruben, had an awesome weekend, but TGIM. Thank God it's Monday. We're back live, back at it again. I'm Bob Money. Thanks for joining. We trade here every single day live, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Right now, we have made accounts green again. We are back positive. We are back profitable. Pandas. Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Luden's Wild Cherry, huh? I gotta try some of these. I've only tried I've only tried Ricola and Halls. I like Ricola because it just tastes better. It's like pretty much candy. It's an excuse to eat hard candy as an adult, to be honest. No news today. News is Wednesday. Fisherman's Friend is pretty good. I'm gonna check all these out. You know what? I'm gonna check them out. I'm actually gonna get your suggestions and try them out. By the way, Pandas, for some reason my my camera every once in a while will kind of like freeze. So that's why in some streams you just see my face just stay still. If that happens, let me know, please. If you see my face just like stand still, like in an awkward angle, please let me know. Strepsils? What's strepsils? That sounds something like for strep throat. Colloidal silver? Are these drugs? Are these actual like cough drops, or are these like drugs on the street, like street drugs? Like, oh, you know what's really good for your cough? Crystal meth. Methamphetamine. PMI 30 minutes. So let me see. According to the news, whoa, my bad. I messed up. I made a boo boo. You're right. Pandas can make mistakes. There is news today at 10 a.m. Sorry about that. I'm so sorry about that. There is news at 10 a.m. ISM services PMI. I don't know how I missed that. Sorry about that, Pandas. I was giving fake news. Pan, sorry, I'm gonna be like I'm gonna be muted, almost like maybe default, but we do have PMI numbers at 10 o'clock today. Sorry about that, Pandas. I thought that we didn't have news, so sorry for the brief moment of fake news. I kind of want to take a trap trade here, so even though there's news, I do want to take a trap here, actually. Also, I gotta make sure my charts are okay. There are a couple things that have been happening to my trading. My Ninja Trader seems to delay, so sometimes I have to I literally have to just restart and try to turn it off, turn it back on. As I close it down and restart it. It's been happening more and more. Super frustrating. What can I say? Okay, no trap. I mean, I thought I'd be interested in one, but right now it attempts to do the trap, but instead does it like this big wick here. Or tail, really. I don't know if I'm interested now. Market's about to open in 1 minute. Remember, there's news at 10, so we may be slow until then. Make sure you guys scalp that like button while we wait. Drop a GM in the chat if you haven't already. Bill7, good morning. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. GC Burke, welcome. Joshua Goolsby, welcome. Toadman, welcome. We're back to the previous day's close, which makes sense. Which is why I wanted that trap in this area, but never came, right? That trap. It tried to trigger, but didn't. This 2002 chart is trash. Never gives you setups when you want, and then when you get a setup, it never works. Best chart ever. 10 out of 10. All right, pandas. Market about to open. Okay. Trap may trigger here now. My opinion, no reason to really take it. We've already hit our target. Let's see if we get something here. Okay, maybe bounce off the 20 EMA. I don't know. Looks like trading range right now. May come back to the bottom trading range. The logical step for me, like next step for me, come back to the bottom of the trading range. Maybe I should just buy it here, see what happens. Yeah. Let's try. Let's just try. Let's just try to do a limit order. Only problem is with the limit orders, I don't know how to manage my risk reward. I don't know how to do it well. Stop orders is kind of easy because you can use your pivots. But limit orders is a little bit more confusing for me. Maybe I'll buy here. Thing about limit orders too is that you could be like entering in at a breakout, which sucks. There's no way the trading range indicator is gonna be this good. It's gonna come right back to the top, isn't it? There's no way the trading range indicator is that good. No way. The reason why I'm kind of debating to do this is because there's news at 10. So oftentimes when there's news, the market goes sideways for a while. I want to be in one of those small risk, high reward plays. Low probability. Okay. Reversing here. Okay. Push down. For the content. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Okay. All right, notice we have 4 overlapping bars in a row. They're completely overlapping. Sorry, pandas. My throat's a little sore. That's why. Hence the poll. Hence the poll. I want to know what your favorite cough drop is. What do you guys do? What do you guys use? Which drugs do you like to use to suppress that cough? All right. Trading range indicator spot on right now. At least give me 2 legs down, yeah? This is 1 leg down so far. 1 leg down, 1 leg up. Trading range indicator spot on. Could have scalped out 3 points already. Scalped out 4 points. No way the trading range indicator is going to be that spot on, that accurate. I mean, I made this indicator, so you would think the one who made it would at least trust in it, huh? I like to use it more as a guide, you know. I actually like to use it a lot for targets. Entries is a lot more hard. It's a lot harder. It's a lot harder to use for entries. But for targets, it makes a lot of sense. But for entries, you gotta have I feel like you have to have more price action than just hitting the bottom top. I guess I could have bought it here and used this pivot low as my stop loss. I don't know. Could have scalped 4 points. Easy. We do have news at 10, which often leads to trading range price action until news hits. Okay. Second leg down. Okay. triangle being formed currently. I think my charts are looking okay right now. Pandas, quick chart check. Does my chart look okay? Does it match yours? Okay. Second entry long. What do you do in triangles? Nothing. We just wait. Just wait. That's what we do in triangles. The 5-minute chart showing a massive trading range. About to hit the bottom of the trading range on the 5-minute chart. 10,000 tick chart. What are we showing here? Okay. Absolute chop. Second entry long here. I don't know. I'm just sitting on my pause, pandas. Yeah, I don't like triangles either. You got to be super patient. Just wait for it. Okay, triangle breaking down to the downside. A little bearish bias because the higher time frame, right, is underneath the 20 MA. Whereas the 2000 tick chart is like going in and out of the 20 MA, so you might be confused, like, oh, okay, what's going on here? But to switch over to 10,000 tick chart, and you can clearly see you're underneath the 20 MA. 5-minute chart as well, coming back to the bottom of the trading range. So if you were trying to decide like which way that was going to break down, you can use the higher time frames to help you increase your odds. It's increasing your odds. It's not perfect. No follow through. A strong bear bar, no follow through. Trap trade, pandas, huh? Am I interested? Not really. We're so choppy. I'm just like, I'm not interested in any direction here right now. Trap triggers. Wait, big no, I got it. I got it, sir. Got it the first time. Just waiting here, pandas. Just waiting. Sitting on our paws while we wait. We got news at 10 o'clock, pandas. Please be aware. This is why we're seeing such slow price action right now. Okay, coming back up.
10,000 tick trap.
10,000 tick trap. 10,000 tick chart showing a trap. It's just so choppy. D. Lou, good morning. It's like a bearish trading range. 1 second, pandas.
$10,000 tick trap. 10,000 tick trap.
Sorry about that, pandas. Guess I'm going long. The news go long. Let's see what happens. Five minutes showing a big trading range here. You're thinking come back to fill the gap or come back to the top of the trading range at this point? News in about 6 minutes. 6.5 minutes. Wasn't last week crazy? All the price action really happened after the regular trading hours with all the earning reports. That was insane. And then Jerome Powell speaking. And the moment he mentioned that rate cuts wouldn't happen in March, the market just tanked. And then the very next day, it just bounced right back up. It's crazy. The market's just crazy. Extremely, extremely bipolar. We had some pretty good volatility last week, I thought. Put your bets in. Put your bets in. Which way do you think the news is going to make the market go? Up or down? Put your bets in. Going once, going twice. Up or down? All around. Which way do you guys think it's going to go? Up or down? Up, up, up and away. It was already moving up. All right.
$10,000 tick trap.
You guys want to see if we can pass a eval? You guys want to see if we can pass an eval today? Yours truly is gonna try to pass an eval today. Here we go. The beautiful thing about the $35 resets is that, you know, I don't mind if I lose these. Let's do it. 17 with 150k accounts. You need an 11-point move. An 11-point move. All right, let's see. I'm thinking it was gonna go up, but I don't know, pandas. I'm gonna say it's gonna go upwards. Up, up, and away. Let's see though. Let's see. Let's see. I could be really wrong here. I could be really wrong. I'll just show you the power of news. The resets are going to end tomorrow, right? $35 resets are going to end tomorrow. So for me, might as well try. Might as well try here, in my opinion. Take advantage of those resets while you can. Get them while they're cheap. Got one more minute. All right, ready to pass the eval today, pandas? You guys ready for this? Make sure you scalp that like button if you guys want to see the evals passed. I'm going to go whatever direction is the highest voted in this poll. I will go that way. Everyone thinks it's going to go up. Most people think it's going to go up. Let's see, though. Ooh, getting a little volatile. Getting close to news. Getting a little volatile. A little spike there. Little volume spike. All around just means it just chops, right? It won't go up or down, just chops around. Ooh, guys ready? Are you guys ready, pandas? I'm buying. I'm buying here. Oh! Oh! It went down for a second. Oh! Oh! Oh no! I think I lost this. I definitely chose the wrong direction, pandas. I think I chose the wrong direction, pandas. Or did I? Or did I? Oh. Oh. Pandas. Oh. It might be all around. The answer might be all around today. Ah. Oh, that's really close to stopping me out. That's really close. I think I'm dead. Pandas! No! I guess the answer was down. I guess the answer was down, pandas. Whoo! It's all good, pandas. $35 resets. We'll try again. We shall try again. That's the beauty of news. You know, you choose a direction, see what happens. This time doesn't work out for us. It's about 50-50. I thought we had a chance. I thought we were going to bounce right there. I really thought so. But we did not. Was that Patrick Wyman style? Hey, those are evals. Y'all know, like I said, the easier to pass evals with news. This time doesn't work out for us.
10,000 tick trap.
Okay, coming back up. I'll take a fail second entry long here. Or fail second entry short. I'll take it. Give me fail second entry short, I'll be interested. Okay, second entry short here. Might just work out. Are we just in a downtrend now, pandas? Certain point in time, I mean, this is like really choppy. But now they're starting to choose a direction here. Second entry short ends up just working out nicely. I wasn't expecting a second entry short. I was expecting trading range to continue. But instead, we're pushing down a little bit here. Still a little choppy to me. Still don't feel comfortable with any trades. I don't feel comfortable with that setup still. I don't know about you, pandas, but I don't.
$10,000 tick trap.
Pretty strong push down. So, pandas, you know how I bought here? So, instead of buying here, what if I sold here? 50-50. You sell here, and then all of a sudden, now you're down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 points. You would have passed your eval here with this move down. So, I chose the wrong direction, pandas. Sorry, it was 50-50 for me. But you could have passed your eval if you just went short instead of long. It is what it is, you know? What about straddling price? Yeah, you can do that too. Five-minute bar, very rarely does a 5-minute printed candle like this with no follow through. Very rarely. You have one here, strong bear bar. Very little follow through, but some follow through. But when you have a strong bear bar like this, typically you'll have some follow through. Perhaps second entry short here will be okay to take, in my opinion.
$10,000 tick trap.
Okay. It's a hidden second entry short here. I'm gonna be patient. Just wait for actual second entry short. To hit a second entry short, what I mean by that is, even though we didn't technically break the previous candle's lows or highs, the movement of this is a second entry short, right? Up, down, up. So the hidden second entry short. Technically, it's not a second entry short, but with the movement, it looks like a second entry short. You call it a hidden second entry short. Technically, you need the candles to break the previous candle's low to create pivots for the legs, right? So when you go up like this, you need to break a previous candle's low. We don't do it here. We get a micro double bottom, but we need to break the previous candle's low to trigger that leg down, and then to break a previous candle's high, trigger the leg up to create those two pivots, right? This pivot here, this pivot here. Instead, we just get the movement of it. We may actually get a second entry short here. That'd be nice. I'll take a second entry short here. That strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart, I think it's some follow through. The question is, are we going to get a second entry short? I don't know. Sometimes they're hard to come by when it's very bearish. Sometimes you don't get that second entry short. You want to get first entries like this one. But I'm going to be patient here. I'm not going to chase anything. Ooh, so we never got the second entry short. Let's say we get the hidden second entry short, which works out. Kyle L done for today. Congratulations. Patrick Weiland makes $5K a day but lives in a small shack. Nice. I mean, just because you live in a small house doesn't mean that, you're poor.
10,000 tick trap.
Does it, Pandas? Considering taking trap there, but just as usual, the 2000 tick chart provides no entries on its way down because it's absolute trash. So here we are, just waiting for something to happen, and let's see. Ruben says, ain't no poor person in a big house. That's true. That's true. But it doesn't mean that if you live in a small house that you're poor. Huh. Got trap trade to the downside here. I don't know if I like it. I really don't know if I like it. It's not my favorite, let's just say that. Okay. Yeah, definitely not with this signal bar. I'm gonna set my pause here a little bit. Is this so choppy? Like, even on the way down, look at the second entry short, it looks so ugly. Look at this cluster of candles, right? Overlapping candles. Candles are too overlapping for me to really feel confident it's gonna have a strong downtrend. This is an entry though for you if you want to go short. Terrible signal bar. Those trigger on this signal bar. I don't know. If it's a, I don't know. I'm hesitant here. Yep, too late. Too late, too late. I'm hesitant there. Right, this is your signal bar to enter short. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's too choppy for me, too overlapping. I mean, this could be a strong downtrend day today. Could be possible. I just don't like the price action leading into it. It's just so many overlapping bars here. Right, you got all this overlap here. You got all this overlap here, like nasty overlap. You got this strong bull bar here to go short. I don't like it. I don't like any of it. But it ends up being a nice push down. Darn. I was considering it. I was really considering it, but I didn't like how it triggers with this strong bull bar. I don't like how it triggers with that. I really don't. But currently calling it correctly in terms of it going downwards. You might be saying, it's so obvious, of course it's going down. Well, then make money. Then make money if it's that obvious, please. So we see that this is a strong downtrend, but just went in a way was very, very ugly. Very ugly price action to get there. Like, look how many overlapping bars we have here. We have like 4 or 5 overlapping bars, 4 or 5 overlapping bars here. I'm just very sensitive to overlapping bars because it can easily lead to trading range price action. In this case, it does not. So it is what it is. We're getting a strong push down, but like I mentioned on the 5-minute chart, very rarely do you get a strong bear bar like this with no follow through. Here we're getting clear follow through now on a strong bear bar like this. This could reverse like I don't know. I mean, this could be a downtrend. Downtrend day today. Could be a gap and go day. We've been having a lot of those days. Could be a slight, like maybe double top attempt here. 2 pushes up. I don't know. Currently, pandas, I haven't found any good setups though. That's the thing. That is the thing, pandas. It's one of those days you just want to go short, buy, sell anything right now. This is just diving down. Sell anything and everything. Diving down like a hawk. Isn't the hawk like the fastest animal on the planet? Oh, the falcon. The peregrine falcon is the fastest bird. Has diving speeds of 190 miles per hour. Whoa. 190 miles per hour flying as a bird. Whoa. That's pretty wild. That's pretty wild. Yeah, a bird. Imagine a bird flying at you 190 miles per hour. You wouldn't like you barely could even see it. Yeah, this is straight just like tumbling right now, but no entries as per usual with the 2000 tick chart. Absolute trash. Like I wanted an entry here, but I mean you get all this overlap here, all this overlap here. You have completely overlapping bars here, bull bar. I just couldn't enter short. I just couldn't do it. I couldn't pull myself to do it. There's a cool video by Red Bull about a falcon. Second entry short here, actually. It's actually your second entry short. Ugly looking second entry short, but that is a second entry short. One of the ugliest ones you can imagine, but that is a second entry short. Wow. Second short fails. Very cool. Getting very confusing again. Any pullback, probably small at this point. I mean, you gotta think. Maybe a second entry short here, I don't know. Oh. It just sucks to see this move down. You really can get a piece of it. I mean, even this looks so ugly. Like, what is this? This is ugly here. This is ugly here. This is ugly here. This is ugly here. It is a second. It is a downtrend, but it is ugly. Inside bar. OI pattern. What is this? Okay, second entry short for me here again. This one happening in pure chop this time. Absolute pure chop. Yeah. This is nasty looking price action, Pandas. I'm sorry. This looks really bad. Strong bull bar.
Trap.
Any odds high. Ah. See, now when we get a second entry short, it's going to be too late. It's going to be ugly. The 2000 tick chart is famous for this. No entries, and when you finally get an entry, it's a bad entry. It's like infamous for that, actually. Which is what's happening here, seems like. Yeah, I can't take this. I can't. I don't know. This is what the 2000 tick chart's infamous for. No entries on a strong trend, and when it gives you entry, it's a bad entry. It just does a trap trade here, straight up. I hate the 2000 tick chart. You finally get a second entry short, good signal bar, terrible price action, but when you enter it, it traps you. Probably strong reversal here. I don't like it at all. It is what it is, though. I mean, you gotta attempt it. I gotta attempt a second entry short at least once. Question is, why do I trade a 2000 tick chart at all? I still don't know why I trade this trash. Goodness gracious, it's taking me out here. Cool. You wait all day for an entry on this downtrend. You finally get a second entry short off the 20 EMA. Good signal bar. And then it just reverses on you. That's what the 2000 tick chart is infamous for. Just no entries until you finally get one, and it's too late. Question is, why do I trade this? Why do I trade this trash still? I hate the 2000 tick chart. I really do. I just don't have anything else. That's the problem. I really don't have another. I don't really have a smaller time frame. Unless someone just stick to the 5-minute chart. Ugh. So bad. Such trash.
forget this. I'm going to the 1 minute chart. I can't do this. Go to the 1 minute chart, Panis. I do not care. I'm never trading. I hate the. I truly hate the 2000 tick chart. We need a micro double top here.
$10,000 tick trap.
The 1 minute chart has betrayed me as well. We are going to be on full tilt here soon, Pandas. Stay tuned. Trap trays on the 1 minute. Almost. Trap trays on the 1 minute. Almost. Not quite yet. Not quite yet, though, Pandas. We're still. It's not over till it's over. Wow. It's not over till it's over, Pandas. Goodness gracious, what was that? It's typically not good. That's typically not a good thing here. We're clearly underneath the 20 EMA still. Huh. Not sure. I'll go short again here. This pushes down. Create a doji bar here. Overall, this looks choppy. Choppity. Sloppity. It's not over till it's over, pandas. It's not over till it's over, pandas. Creates another doji bar here. Just ultimate choppy price action here. I think that's it. I think I used all my lives up. I mean, you gotta get at least a 1-to-1 on that, yeah. So, if it fails, if it doesn't give me a 1-to-1, I can't. I gotta just take the hit. You gotta make as much as you're willing to lose. Such a high chance to take me out here. It's like a 99.9% chance, I feel like. Takes me out. Ah, it is what it is, pandas. It's so easy to see the folly of your trade once you enter in and it starts to do this. You can easily start to see the folly of your trade here. Pandas, you know what I say? Lean into your mistakes. Lean into your mistakes, pandas. You know what I say? Lean into them. I'll be surprised if I survive this. I'll be really surprised if I survive this, pandas. If I survive this reversal, you know what I say, pandas. Lead into your mistakes. If I survive this, pandas. Whoo! Oh my. Yeah. Yeah. What's going on here? This is crazy. I almost just want to get stopped out so I don't enter 3. Entering 3 is a lot here. But you know what I say. Lead into your mistakes. We're pressing here, full press. Oh, pandas. Pandas. Lean into your mistakes.
Target.
Let's go, baby!
Target filled.
Let's go. Let's go. Why do you keep breaking, you stupid? Let's go, baby! Got that bamboo. See if we get a runner here, pandas. For some reason, I doubt it. But let's see if we get one. Doesn't hurt to try, yeah? Does not hurt to try, does it? Runner time, let's go. Lean into your mistakes. You lean so far, they become actually they actually become correct. Woo! It's a nice runner. I'll take 10 points. I'll take 10 points any day. Give me 10 points. We already made our 1-to-1. Oh. That's a mighty strong push down here, pandas. Let's get for 10 points. I'm looking for 10 points, pandas. Makes 9 points. I think a little follow through here. At least another leg down. At least a little late down here. Sorry for the congestion. I'm like, my nose is so congested. Okay. Inside bar. Give me 10 points. Give me 10 points. Come on. Come on, give me 10 points. Woo! Woo! 9.5 points? Are you kidding me? What? 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 Why? Why just give me the full 10? What is that? What was that? I'm holding 10. Go up to Papa. Go up to Papa. Okay. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy. Up 500 today, pandas. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'll take it. I'll take it. Let's get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Exactly 10 points. Bouncing off my 10-point target. Alright, pandas. I'll see you guys bright early tomorrow. Easy peasy. Stick to the plan, pandas. And good things will happen. I'll see you guys bright early. Hey, we changed to the 1 minute chart. I'm liking the 1 minute. What can I say? It is just the 2,000 tick chart is absolute trash. I cannot handle it anymore. I would switch to the 1 minute officially from now on. I'll see you guys bright early tomorrow. 9 o'clock for a pre-market show, 9:15 for the main stream. Hope to see you guys there. Make sure you click that like button. And remember, the $35 reset promo ends tomorrow. Take advantage of it while it lasts. I'll see you then. All that being said, pandas, happy trading. God bless. Bye.